Hello guys, Shifter619 here for another modding tutorial. Today I will teach you how to make a basic block or item. So, the first thing we're going to do is, you see, we made this tutorial folder last episode, and then we did all the MCP stuff to set it up. So, and then we downloaded Eclipse. And then you're going to want to open Eclipse and just wait for it to load. And then you want to choose your workspace like I told you to in the last video, and just wait for it to load again. And then just wait for this. Come on, I'm waiting for you. Load your workbench and finish. We're loading your load your workbench. Thank you. Okay, so we're back here in our Eclipse. This is our directory, not directory, package explorer, and this is pretty much where we get all our Minecraft files. And to make this block, the first thing you want to do is, you see this button right here, it's new Java class. You want to press that and make sure the package is net.minecraft.src. Then you want to type mod underscore anything you want here. It doesn't have to be what I put, so I'm just going to put tutorial. So I'm just gonna make that and just wait for that to. Okay, and okay. This is our main mod class, and the first thing I'm gonna do is type extends base mod. And if you don't extend the base mod, then this won't work. Now you see this little red underline under the tutorial thing. You're going to hover over it, and the thing about Eclipse is that it tells you how to fix things in case you don't know what to do. So you're going to have to press add unimplemented methods and just wait for that to load. I don't know why it's taking so long. I think it's because I'm recording. I don't know. So just wait for that. Am I not responding? Yeah, I'm not responding. I don't know why. There we go. Now you see, you want to delete these at overrides because these aren't really needed. So you need to get rid of that, and then get rid of this Toto thing. You don't really need this. It's just telling you that it made the method this method. And for get version, you're going to return 1.4.7. Doesn't really matter what you put here, just something that it will return the version. Okay, so now that you have your mod tutorial all set up, we're going to add this to the beginning of the class after public class mod tutorial extends base mod and the curly brackets. So then you're gonna put public. Oh, I suck at spelling. Static final block. Or if you want to make an item. So I'm just going to make a block and an item. And so first I'm going to make a block, item. And then this is your string that you that if when you use it, it will show what it is. So you're going to put I don't know what I'm going to actually put here. Maybe yellow cube. No, yellow. Let me see here. Yellow X. Okay, that's the best thing I could do. Equals new item, and then you're going to put your ID number, and the one open ID number is 2200, and then you're going to do new item 2200 dot set. This part is not required. Well, this part is required. Okay, let me just put this. I set icon index mod load slash GUI slash items dot PNG and slash tutorial slash yellow x dot PNG. This is very important. That's not what I wanted to do. It's very important, or else it will take the closest texture that it can get, and that is the leather helmet, and you really don't want your items being a leather helmet. Okay, now we put set item. This part is required still. Set item name, and you can put whatever you feel like in here. This doesn't have to be exact. This isn't your in-game name. Just saying. Dot. Now this part isn't required, but I highly recommend to do this in case you want to get your stuff really fast. So set creative tab. Dot. No. Creative tabs dot, and then it shows all the tabs that you can add this to. So you can add it to the search tab, the block tab. No, I don't think you could add it to the search. The block tab, the brewing tab, the combat tab, the decorations, and every other tab. So I'm just going to put this in the misc tab because it's miscellaneous. How you like that? So after you made your item, I don't know, what is this? Oh, yep. Disregard this. I forgot to add something. So if you might have a red underline under, you will have a red underline anyway. So you're just gonna do modloader.add override, and let me just add another parenthesis here, and then that. Oh, what's that? What? I don't get what's going on here. It's worked earlier. I don't know why it's... no, I do not want to edit this class right here. I don't know what's going on. Oh, yep. This, I forgot to... What? Yep. I messed up with the, quotes there. Now, all your errors should be gone. And then in this public void load, I'm just gonna add a comment here saying yellow X, and then you want to put mod loader add name. Yeah, this is your string that we made up here. Yellow X, comma yellow X. Now this string right here, that is your in-game name. So if you whatever you want it to be set. Whatever you want it to be called in game, you're gonna put there. So if I put whatever here, when I take it out, it'll show up as whatever. So mod loader, and then you don't really have to do anything else here. This is just if you want a recipe. I'm just gonna add a recipe. Wait, no, why am I looking for that? Add recipe. New item stack. Yellow X, comma 1, new object, and then you want to do this, curly brackets. Then this is your recipe right here. Now you see these three. Okay, I'm gonna add these three quotes are your sections in the sections in the crafting table. So this first quote is your there's your top 3 sections. The second quotes are your middle ones, and the last one, the final quotes. Oh, sorry. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, then this last quote here, that is your bottom. Okay, so this is what your crafting recipe is going to be. So I'm just going to do this. This means the top left and the top right, and then this means the middle of the workbench, and this means the bottom left and the bottom right. And then this is what you want to define your symbols for your items. Then you want to put this time. Don't put your quotes. Put your single quotes. Then you want to do your symbol, comma. I'm just gonna make this gold. Item.gold. You know what? I'll just make it. No, metadata is hard, so I'm not gonna put it die. So then this should clear up. It should clear up. So what? I don't know what's going on here. Did I do something wrong? I'm gonna be right back to see what I did wrong. Hey guys, I'm back, and I realized what I did wrong. See, after this parenthesis here, you're supposed to add a comma, and then this error should be cleared up. And I think it's actually called gold ingot. What the freak? Gold. Oh, maybe it's it's ingot gold, not gold ingot. Just cleaning that up. Now I'm just gonna pause the video once more. Well, not now. I'll just make the block second. Now I'll just make the block now. Okay. Now, after you made this public static final, you're gonna make press enter, make a new line, and do public static final again. But this time, instead of item, you're gonna put block, and then yellow X block. Okay, then equals new block yellow X block, new block yellow X. And the reason we're making a new class, this is actually our second time making a new class. And we need to make a new class is because if we don't make a new class, it'll mess up and not drop anything or not do what we want it to do. New block yellow X, and this is again and this needs to be in like the 150s and like between 200, because not it's gonna mess up. And I'm just gonna make this 152. And the second there's a comma. This is your block ID right here, and this is your metadata. Now this metadata this metadata needs to be here, and 0 means that there's no other. Well, doesn't really mean no other. It's the first metadata, and we're not gonna have anything else with this with that ID, so we're not gonna do anything with that metadata. And then now we're gonna set hardness. And then you want your float variable here, which is pretty much F, your number F. That means that I don't know how I just use that because it's pretty good. I think that's about iron ore. Set resistance 7F, and then the resistance I think is how good will it withstand against explosions. I'm thinking I'm pretty sure bedrock is 100. Let me just check that. Bedrock. Okay, bedrock. Yeah, it's holy. That's not 100. That is 6 million. Now, that's a very, very hard material. That's why you can't break it. And then set. Now you're gonna set the block name. You're gonna set it to block yellow. I'm just gonna. This is again whatever. So I'm just gonna do FTFJKL. Now, and then you want to do again set creative tabs. Yet again, this is not required. This is just to make it easier in creative mode in order to get your stuff. Tab block, and then you want to do that. Am I missing anything? Nope. It's just that now we need to make our class block yellow X, and exactly all that. Now block yellow X extends block. Now you want to do that, or else it won't show up in game. Now I'm pretty sure, forgot. I don't know which one it is. I'm pretty sure it's this one. Now, no, it's the other one. Second one. Okay. So now, okay, then you're gonna click this one. Now it'll be and take off this Toto. Oh, I'm so confused again. It is actually the second one, not the first one. So, yeah. Just like erase that there. And then you wanna. I just like to make them simpler variables. IJ, int j, IJ, and then here is your material. This is all the materials in the game. So this actually means like what, like how fast does it break and everything. So if you set it, I'm pretty sure if you set it to TNT, it'll break immediately. So now for this I'm just gonna set to iron because that's usually what ores are set to. Okay, now I must have hit insert. number lock off. Okay, so now you want to put this public int ID dropped. See, I'm sorry for not actually typing it in. Is that it's a little bit trouble because I have a hard time remembering the variables. So I'm just gonna. You can copy it off. I'm just gonna leave this like this for like a few seconds to let you copy it all. And when you're finished copying it, oh, what's this? Oh, that's because I haven't done this. And random should be underlined. So again, Eclipse adds your available things that you can available options. And then when I click the first one, just import random. Now this should work. Well, yeah. See how the random is not underlined anymore. And then return. Here you're going to put your block where your block was. So mod underscore tutorial dot yellow X block. And there we go. Now you want to do public. What? I don't know what. Oh. Dot block ID. That's very important, or else it will not work. Okay. Now you want to do public int quantity. I suck at spelling. Quantity dropped. Random grand. Then you want to do this again. Oh no. Return 1. Now that pretty much means like when you mine it, you're only gonna get 1 of the block, not like 50. Now, if you do want to give them 50, just change this number to whatever the heck you want it to be. You can even do 5,000, but I think that'll just lag you out. So I'm just gonna leave it at 1. Actually, I'm gonna show you it. I'm just gonna leave it at 3, so you can see what happens when you set it to 3. Yeah, so when you set it to 3, it'll drop 3 yellow blocks. I don't know why you would want to do that, because that'll just make everything OP, even though these don't do anything. So the next thing you want to do is type public string version, and then you want to put return whatever the heck you want. 1.447 doesn't matter. I'm just gonna put 3.14 or 1.256. I think, I don't know. Pi's getting hard to remember because it's pretty much pi. And then you want to put your semicolon, and you're done with this class. Now you can save it up here with this flash, not flash. And I have an error. What is this? That's weird, but I'm just gonna do that. Oh, I know what's going on. Yellow dot yellow X block. There we go. Now you shouldn't have an error when you do have it. What? Change to yellow. What? Oh, I put tabs. Never mind. That's why. Let's see why. Refresh. What? Should work. No, I think that's why. Yeah. Now it should be good. Now for the block, you want to go down, type. I'm just gonna put a comment here to show what this is. So yellow X block, and then you want to do mod loader dot register register block yellow X block. And I'm gonna put your semicolon, and then yellow X block dot block index in texture equals mod loader dot add override. Then you want to do the same thing, so you want to do terrain.png, no slash, because this is in a regular folder. And then Minecraft /tutorial/yellow X block. There you go. And then you want to pretty much do mod loader add name yellow X block. Yellow block X block. I suck at spelling yellow. Look what I just did. Really. Then you want to do one last thing. If you want a recipe, I'm just gonna do the add recipe. New item stack. Yellow X block. Now this tutorial is getting pretty long. Let's see how long I've been recording here. 20 minutes. Wow. I'm gonna have to cut this into 2 parts maybe to make this faster. So back at the 10-minute mark, I'm gonna split it. So this is right now you're probably watching the second part. So just minimize that. Yellow. No. Cut this. Remember the comma because I messed up last time. New. Not capitals. Not capitals. Object. The brackets, and then you want to do the thing. So just do. I'm just gonna do this. Alright. What? What just happened? Okay, that was stupid. It's mod loader no. Eclipse trying to get some stuff that I don't want. I keep pressing enter. I want to press enter. We'll do this. Then we're gonna define this again. And this is gonna be since you're in the mod underscore tutorial, you don't have to put mod underscore tutorial dot blah blah blah. I'm just gonna so you could just put yellow X and then a semicolon there, and it shall work. Let me just save this. No errors. Now I'm gonna be right back. This is my other mod that is a secret, and you've only seen some of it. Blah. So I'm just gonna return after I've created the textures, cause no one wants to see 10 minutes of me making a texture. So I'm just gonna be right back. Okay. Oh, I don't want these here. I'm just gonna move these over here so they're not covering anything. And okay, now I've made these 2 textures for my yellow X and my yellow X block. Now I have them saved into my pictures. Where is it? My textures. Where is it? I called it yellow stuff. Okay, here is my yellow X and yellow X block. Now you want to go and you want to copy them and go back to your desktop and your tutorial folder. Bin, and you want to go to your bin Minecraft net. No, this is already here. This is where you're supposed to be. And then you want to make a new folder, and you want to call it whatever you called it in Eclipse, and I call it tutorial, as you can see here. /tutorial yellow X block, and this is your folder that is in. And I almost messed up here and forgot to put PNG, but I just remembered. I just saw that and corrected myself before I did anything wrong. Now your yellow X and yellow X block are here, and I don't know what is thumbs. I don't know what that is. Now I'm just gonna put this in back, and now you're gonna put it in your Eclipse client bin, and then just copy and paste the folder and tutorial with my yellow X blocks. Now since we have no errors, you save all, and no errors. You see no errors, no error. These are just the server errors I talked about in the first video. And now you're gonna press start, which is this little play button right here. So it's gonna load Mojang, and this is why you put your my bin folder in here, so it will work. And I don't know why it's taking so long. It's probably the recording. And I crashed. Why did I just crash? Oh, yep, I forgot that. You actually do need a slash here. I forgot that. I'm sorry. Put that slash in terrain.png. I kind of forgot that when I was making this. So now it should work fine. everything should initialize and should go here. Then you want to create a new world and then go in creative mode so you can get your blocks really easily. Now you're going to load the world up, and this is taking some time. Let's see, preparing spawn. There we go. Lava. Why do we have what? Okay, lava in the desert. That's weird. Now if you search for your yellow X block, what is this? Yellow X block? A yellow X? Holy mother of God! We just put a new block into the game, and then you can see how you can place these. And oh my God, we just did that. And now I'm just gonna ignore that. I'll see what it needs later. Now I'm gonna get a diamond pick, game mode as survival, and then watch. I'm gonna mine this, and as you can see, I have got 3 yellow X blocks. That's what that return thing is. I'm just gonna dig that, and 9. Now I have 9 yellow X. Wow, 9 yellow X blocks. Now I can just throw this into lava. Now that your tutorials work, your mod should work by now. Your mod should work if you followed my directions correctly. Now, I am Shifter619, and this was episode 2 of my modding series that I am now starting. Oh my God, it's on fire. Just gonna help it. Anyway, goodbye, and I'll see you guys in my next video, which hopefully will come out sometime like a day after this, I think, because I'm uploading these videos like one each day. So yeah, bye. Then you are going to decompile. Just let this run, and I'm going to pause the video here, and when this is done, I'll be back. Pretty sure it's this way. Well, I'm gonna be making a city, but I already started doing all this and stuff. Pretty sure